Who are you?
When it comes to security, we take it pretty seriously, but for too long, security hasn't been exactly smart, and false alarms are just plain annoying. Meet SimCam, the newest in home security. It's intelligent, private, and easy to use, with inbuilt facial recognition, 1080p recording, and high-definition snapshots, so you can easily differentiate friends and family from whoever else. With a lightning-fast AI camera that detects human faces within a second, SimCam lets you see events as they happen, as well as saved video recordings and snapshots. It's like a security guard who looks at the camera for you 24/7.
Excuse me, stranger. Can I help you?
That also means no false alerts. You can even set up objective monitoring on things that belong to you, or particular areas of your home, and receive alerts straight to the SimCam app. But warning, it may spoil a few surprises. Of course, all with timestamps and thumbnails, so you can find the vision you need in just a few clicks. Behind the curtain, SimCam AI processes your data locally with an Intel Inside VPU, so it's fast, private, and customizable for unique needs, like getting alerts when your pool fence has been left open, or when the kids aren't doing their homework. And you'll never receive a message like this. SimCam also pairs seamlessly with Google Assistant and Alexa, automating your household tasks like delivery for groceries and parcels. SimCam is fit for rain or shine, with a 360-degree rotation and HD night vision. With new developer kits, you can make SimCam your Google Clips, pet monitor, baby monitor, even elder monitor, all in one easy-to-use camera. So help us help you. Pledge now to see SimCam in your home. The new generation in smart home security.
You parked your car somewhere you feel really uneasy about, but you really need to make it to that meeting with a client. Where's your car? Is it on 6th Street? Could it be 7th? Or maybe you didn't see that sign. Yeah, that sign. There's a lot of unexpected things that can happen to you in your vehicle.
So don't you wish there was a way to record 24/7 and be alerted when an incident occurs?
Wayland's introduces the Secure 360, a camera that can monitor and record a full 360-degree field of view so you know what's happening in and around your vehicle no matter where you are. When the camera's sensors detect motion, impact, or even a change in GPS coordinates, Secure 360 will immediately notify you through the mobile app and simultaneously record video to the cloud. So here's how it works. The camera system actively scans the perimeter of your vehicle using a suite of advanced low-power sensors. We've combined radar, a 3-axis accelerometer, as well as 3-axis gyro for weeks of non-stop event detection without draining your car battery. The Secure 360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter to rideshare services or families with young drivers. You can locate your car quickly with a GPS map, check in with an elderly driver, protect your driving record, or catch a thief in the act. So even if this happens, you'll have evidence to provide authorities and your insurance company. Be one of the first few drivers to obtain the revolutionary Secure 360 Wi-Fi and 4G models at discounted pricing on Kickstarter.
When you think of home security, what comes to mind? The peephole, the chain lock, maybe the classic stark warning. But you were probably thinking a bit more high-tech. Introducing Eufy Evercam, the first of its kind home security system that gives you everything you want with none of the hassles. No need for wires and no need to deal with frequent battery changes. 365 days of battery life. We partnered with Anker to put their most advanced battery technology inside the Evercam, and by using a low-frequency transmission signal to stay connected on standby mode, saving energy by up to 70%. Evercam will keep on working for up to a year without needing to be recharged. With the adjustable ball-shaped mount, Evercam can be positioned and repositioned. Use either the single screw mounting base or skip the mounting hardware. The magnetic 1080p HD camera will just stick to all kinds of metal surfaces. Bam. Evercam withstands temperature changes and moisture, so you really can put it just about anywhere. Motion triggered and Wi-Fi connected, Evercam sends you a notification when someone's at the door or someone's on the sofa. Even when someone is raiding the fridge, the artificial intelligence uses a 3-phase system to ensure you see what you want to see and ignore what you don't. Step 1, it's able to screen out movement that doesn't have a heat signature using an infrared sensor. Step 2, it detects human body shapes in various positions. And step 3, facial recognition technology allows Evercam to recognize faces of people you want to give clearance to or keep a closer eye on. So just set your preferences to send an alert when it matters and ignore it when it doesn't. Oh yeah, and it has 2-way audio.
Brian, step away from the pizza.
We are the first to put an SD card into a home base, securely storing 60 days of footage locally. No need to go to the cloud. No upcharges or monthly contracts. We have a great team of top engineers, software developers, AI experts, and we are working with industry-leading manufacturers to make all this happen. We've built an amazing system that's ready to go right out of the box. Easy to set up yourself without compromising security, but we need your help to take what we have and get it to market. No one else is offering a wireless camera with a year of battery life, and Evercam just keeps getting better by the day. There are a ton of other great features, so make sure you check out all the stuff on our campaign page. We have suppliers in place, the prototype is done. All we need is your support.